trying to walk.
They're trying to walk.
Yeah.
And this little guy is getting really upset. I'm hoping I can get this.
Yeah.
Because my battery's blinking.
Yeah.
Oh. I think he's gonna go to sleep.
Yeah. He's going to sleep. I'm upset.
Okay, we're trying this again. He was getting upset. Come on, little man. Come on. Don't take that from your brother. Yeah, I know. You found your voice, huh? Whoa. You rolled it over. Oh, brother moved. What are you gonna do?
Get some food. He sees brother.
Come on.
Come on.
You can do it.
He's
Oh,
legs.
get those legs. You got sea legs. He's growling.
You found your boy, so come on. And this is a puppy.
Gosh.
Hey. Hello, camera.
Okay, get the puppy out of the camera.
Can I put him back in to get...
Yeah, put him back in with Sky. Maybe he'll get over there to Mama and his brothers. Because it's lunchtime. There you go.
Can you make the mac and cheese?
There we go. We're over there. Where was Mom? He's doing it. He's doing it.
Getting food.
Doing it. All right. Big man. Big man on campus.
Yeah.
All right. It's lunchtime.